If you thought my previous videos were exciting, you haven't seen anything yet. This one involves scuba diving. Today's Microsoft Excel function that we are going to be covering is absolute value. Strap in, grab your favorite beverage, and let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So glad you could join me. John Gibson here with I Need Examples. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. What is it? The Microsoft ABS function returns the absolute value of a number. The absolute value of a number is the number without its sign. What is a practical use of the absolute value? Let's use our scuba diver as an example. Looking at the grid, let's say that the x-axis is sea level. Anything below the x-axis will be represented as a negative number. So let's say that our scuba diver wants to go down 100 feet. Once he reaches 100 feet, he is negative 100 feet below sea level. But saying he is negative 100 feet below sea level is redundant. So what we want to do is take the absolute value of the distance he traveled, negative 100, and that will be 100. So we would say that he is 100 feet below sea level. Example 1. To use the Microsoft absolute value function, click on a cell, click the Insert Function button, and go to the Search for a Function. Type in ABS and hit Go. You will see in the Select Function box ABS. If you're unsure if this is the function you are looking for, simply look down at the bottom and you will see a description of the function that you have selected. In this case, it is the correct function. ABS returns the absolute value of a number without a sign. So we click ABS, hit OK, the function arguments box will appear. The argument that it is looking for is a number, so we will select the cell that has the value. As you can see, it enters the cell A2. If you look in the bottom, it will say the formula result equals 50. That is the desired result. Hit OK, and now the absolute value of negative 50 is now shown in B2 as 50. If you would like to see examples on any topic, seriously, anything, please leave a comment below. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell. This has been John Gibson with I Need Examples. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.